In this video, I will show you how you can enter or exit download mode on your Samsung Galaxy A37 or the A57. Now doing that is very simple. First of all, just open the quick settings and tap on the power icon. From here, just select power off. Now once your Samsung phone is completely powered off, for the next step, just grab the charging cable of your phone and plug in one end of your cable to your laptop or to your PC. Now you don't have to do anything on your laptop or on your PC, just plug in one end of the cable to your laptop or to your PC. After that, just grab the other end of the charging cable, and as you plug in the other end of the charging cable to your phone, just press and hold both of the volume buttons at the same time, just like that. So press and hold both of the volume buttons as I plug in this cable into my phone. And as you can see, our phone has successfully entered into download mode. Now once you're done using download mode and if you want to reboot your phone, as you can see at the upper left corner on the screen, it says that in order to reboot your phone, just press and hold both of the power button and the volume down button at the same time for 7 seconds. Just like that. Just keep pressing and holding both of these buttons for 7 seconds, and after that, you will see the Samsung logo on the screen. As you can see, the screen has gone black, and once you see the Samsung logo on the screen, just release both of the buttons. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.